So is it better to shoot video vertically or in landscape mode? Now if we go way back in time, like 2007, 2008, prior to the smartphone, everything seemed to be shot in landscape mode. And that's because we didn't have the smartphone.
That's crazy.
When you look at TVs, you look at movie theater screens, everything's in that rectangular shape. Introducing the smartphone, things have changed. And that's because people hold their phones this way, so it makes sense that they're going to shoot video in the vertical position. But is that position now the right way to shoot video? Well, the truth is it all depends on what you want to do with your video and where you're going to use it. If you're using it for marketing purposes, knowing where and how you're going to use your video will tell you exactly what is the right way to use this. And that's because certain platforms like it one way over the other. For example, YouTube prefers landscape mode. Now other platforms prefer vertical video. Now when it comes to video generally, I tend to recommend landscape mode for the simple fact that you can do more with it than you can with a vertical video. Landscape mode allows me to put it into vertical video or square shaped videos if I want. But if I get sent a video that is vertical in shape, it is really hard to make that fit into a landscape type of video or even a square video. So I would always lean more towards the horizontal landscape type of video. But again, it depends on what you're going to do with the videos and how you're going to use them. So always keep that in mind when you're shooting videos, and that will help determine which way would be right for you.